Drink this 1 cup daily for high blood pressure. Imagine waking up each day, feeling lighter, healthier, and more in control of your blood pressure, all by simply sipping on a cup of tea. Yes, you heard that right. This one small, daily habit could be the key to lowering high blood pressure and improving your overall heart health. Let's dive into the benefits of some powerful teas and how they work their magic to keep your blood pressure in check. Number 1. Garlic tea. Garlic tea might sound unusual, but it's a powerful ally in your fight against high blood pressure. The magic lies in a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin helps your blood vessels relax and expand, allowing blood to flow more freely. This process can reduce the pressure on your artery walls, leading to lower blood pressure readings. Drinking garlic tea is also an excellent way to support your cardiovascular health overall. Garlic has been shown to lower cholesterol levels, further reducing the risk of heart disease. While the taste might take some getting used to, the benefits make it worth the effort. Plus, you can add a bit of honey or lemon to improve the flavor while boosting its heart-healthy properties. Number 2. Lemon tea. Lemon tea isn't just refreshing, it's a zesty way to manage high blood pressure. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects your blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is crucial because when your blood vessels are in good shape, it's easier for blood to flow, which helps keep your blood pressure in a healthy range. Another key benefit of lemon tea is its potassium content. Potassium is a mineral that helps counterbalance the effects of sodium in your body. Since too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, drinking lemon tea can help maintain that delicate balance, making it easier for your heart to pump blood efficiently. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is a popular choice for health-conscious individuals, and for good reason. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins. These powerful compounds help reduce inflammation in your blood vessels and improve their flexibility. As a result, your blood flows more easily, which can lower your blood pressure, especially the systolic number, the top number in your blood pressure reading. In addition to its blood pressure lowering effects, green tea can help with weight management and improve cholesterol levels, both of which are important for heart health. Sipping on a cup of green tea regularly can be a soothing way to take care of your heart while enjoying a moment of calm in your day. Number 4. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is not only vibrant and beautiful, but it's also incredibly effective at lowering blood pressure. The tea is rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that help your blood vessels relax. This relaxation allows your blood to flow more freely, reducing the overall pressure on your arteries and lowering your blood pressure. One of the great things about hibiscus tea is that it works relatively quickly. Studies have shown that drinking just a few cups a week can have a noticeable impact on your blood pressure. Plus, hibiscus tea has a naturally tart flavor, so you can enjoy it hot or iced, depending on your preference, making it a versatile addition to your daily routine. Number 5. Black tea. Black tea is a staple in many households, and it turns out it's also good for your blood pressure. The tea contains flavonoids, which are plant-based compounds known for their heart protective benefits. These flavonoids help improve the health of your blood vessels by making them more elastic, which can reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Regularly drinking black tea can be a simple way to incorporate a heart-healthy habit into your day. Whether you enjoy it plain, with a splash of milk, or a hint of sweetness, black tea can provide a comforting ritual that also supports your cardiovascular health. Spices for tea and high blood pressure. Adding spices to your tea can enhance its health benefits and make it even more effective at managing blood pressure. Cinnamon, for instance, has been shown to help lower blood pressure by relaxing and dilating blood vessels. Ginger is another powerful spice that can improve circulation and reduce inflammation, both of which are beneficial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Cardamom is a lesser-known but equally potent spice that can help reduce blood pressure. It works by acting as a natural diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess water and sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure. By incorporating these spices into your tea, you can enjoy a flavorful and aromatic drink that also supports your heart health. Conclusion: incorporating these teas into your daily routine is a simple and effective way to manage high blood pressure naturally. Each tea, from garlic to hibiscus, offers unique benefits that can support your heart health and help you maintain healthy blood pressure levels. So, make time for a cup of tea each day. Your heart will thank you, and you'll enjoy the added benefit of a calming and delicious ritual.